Next, we have Ventilator Machine. What is Ventilator Machine? Ventilator Machine provides mechanical ventilation by moving breathable air into and out of the lungs. Ventilator Machine function. Ventilators help a patient breathe by assisting the lung to inhale and exhale air. Ventilator machine placement. Ventilators are mainly used in hospital and in transport systems such as ambulance and medevac air transport. Technical features of ventilator machine.
A mechanical ventilator is a very complex device, which is used to ventilate patients suffering from chronic lung diseases or after a complex operation, to keep them alive, strong, and healthy. A patient with severe lung disease needs a ventilator for life support. All ventilators should be tested after each use to verify its performance before the unit is used for another patient. Ideally, a verification based on the manufacturer's recommendations will be performed each test. It takes about 2 hours and documentation is required at each step. To test ventilators from different manufacturers, someone has to read the instruction manual for every ventilator. This could take weeks and is just not a good solution. An all-in-one testing device with all the necessary tools would be great. Fortunately, that option is available. The Citrix H5 gas flow analyzer from IMT Medical is able to test any type of ventilator. It measures pressure, flow, volume, temperature, and oxygen. The Citrix H5 can generate customized PDF test reports automatically. Additionally, integrated apps guide the user through the procedure so you can test a ventilator in less than 5 minutes, test report included. This sounds exciting, right? Now, let's get started. Download the app from the Citrix Cloud. The app guides you through the following 3 simple steps. First, connecting the Citrix H5 to the ventilator. Second, performing verification tests. The Citrix H5 gives you instant test results automatically. Isn't that great? Third, generating a test report. After the test, enter the user information.
Problems and troubleshoot of ventilator machine.